Come on. Let's do it.
Alright guys, what we got going on here today is I need to make some fixes to this fence to make it so just in case the dogs can't jump over. And then over here we've got one of the new quail pens. It's super nice and fancy. That chimney coming out is their water spout. You can see some of them eating in there. It's another grow out pen. And then we're gonna have actually tomorrow another one the exact same size one right there. Here are the silkies. And there's some other chickens right here. And the Italian Goldens. Everyone's molting, that's why it looks like this is actually just from one day because I raked yesterday. It looks pretty crazy out here, but I got some organic blueberries. Of course, Red, like the dog, he comes over here every time I come out. What's up, Red? Wanna try this shit? Yeah, it's dang calm. I'm just tossing these out for these guys to scavenge. I'll give a couple to the Goldens. Oops, I almost tripped. See if the quail like blueberries. Hey, little babies.
Man, I'm F-I-double-L-M-O-E.